Hi, this is Jake with Optimus Futures, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to connect to a live trading account on the Quick Screen Trading or QST trading platform. Now, at first glance, you may not notice a section to input your live trading credentials to, but there's actually one of two sections to do so on this platform. You can either go through the Order Entry tab in the top left-hand corner. Simply just click on Order Entry and scroll down to the first option here, the Order Entry Properties. This can also be accessed by clicking the F5 key on your keyboard. Or you can also use the Toolbar button. This is located in the top right-hand corner here, and you'll notice there's a little cogwheel. Simply left-click on this. This is the same window, or again, you can also use the keyboard shortcut of F5. Now, once you do click on that cogwheel or go through the Order Entry tab, you'll be brought to the Order Entry Properties window. Now, this is where you will connect to a a live trading account. Simply, all you'll need to do is make sure live trading is selected here, and then click on New Configuration. Now, from here, your provider, this will be the data feed that you're connecting to. Now, QST does have several different data feeds that it can connect to. You see two right here being CQG and Oak. If you are using a broker that does not have one of two of these or have not provided you with one or two of these data feeds yet, you may need to get in touch with your broker or provider of QST, whoever that may be. They may need to enable your QST login, the actual platform login, to be enabled for CQG. That is what I had to do. I had to go to ADM, who is our clearing firm here, and I had to reach out to their support to enable CQG for me. CQG by default was not a property here that I could pull down for a provider. So just keep that in mind. If you are following a guide here and you're attempting to log into your live credentials and you don't see CQG or Rhythmic or whatever you have as a data feed provider, please get in touch with your FCM and just have them know, or QST directly if you're going through them. They'll be able to set this up for you, so just keep that in mind. Now from there, pretty much all you need to do is, once you have the data feed enabled, you'll just need to log in with your username and password. As you can see, this does look a little bit different depending on the data feed you use. CQG, you do have the sender comp ID and password. This is just your username and login. And then the account number, you'll just use your clearing firm account number. So whatever that case may be, just manually type that in. And then from there, you just have a couple other different options here. You can use a couple different properties here that can be enabled or disabled. You have a shared order book if you need so. And then you do have typical things such as whether you want to start this as a demo, whether you want to connect this at startup, which I suggest using, and then use an SSL connection, which depends on the user. We won't go too into depth there, but just keep that in mind that you do have these options. Now, once you have edited everything as appropriate and have entered in your credentials and do click OK, you will see your connection here and you will see whether or not you are connected or whatever the case may be. If you do have multiple live trading accounts, you can manage those here. If you did watch our last video on paper trading, you could also manage your paper trading account here as well. And then for different things as far as your live trading account goes, when you do log into here, keep in mind that Order Entry Properties will pretty much cover everything that has to do with your live trading account. As you can see, you can create tooltips for yourselves, different background colors. You can have default order types, order quantities, and a bunch of different settings that follow them. You can manage your accounts here. Things such as actions and properties can be entered and configured based off of whether you're in a live trading account or paper trading. As you can see, you can start in different servers. You can have different orders or warnings placed for yourself, alerts. Everything can be configured here. Again, once you have logged into your live trading account, and anything you need of the sort as far as settings go as they apply to your trading account, you'll pretty much need to be focusing on this section here. Like I mentioned, alerts will be focused on this area, warnings. And then if you do click this area, you can advance over and there's a couple more tabs such as the order preview. And again, these are all pertaining to the Order Entry Properties window and your live trading account that you're currently logged in with. So all these settings will apply to that account that, again, you're logged in with. That pretty much just wraps it up for this video, guys. Just wanted to show you again where to enter into your live trading credentials. Again, you can do so in the order entry window and just come into order entry properties, click on new configuration, and as you've already seen, enter in your username and password, and there you go. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more QST content. If you do have any questions or concerns regarding this process, please post them in the comment section down below or in our community forum, which is linked in the description. Feel free to click on that link, sign up, and you can post whatever questions you may have on our forum. Thanks again for watching, and once again, we hope you found this helpful.